This 3-ton scissor jack kit offers a generous lifting range that works well for both low sedans and taller sport utility multi-purpose vehicles in real roadside situations. The jack is built from strong cold-rolled steel with a widened base, giving it a reassuringly solid and stable feel when the vehicle is off the ground. Included rubber pads sit between the jack and the vehicle pinch welds, which helps prevent metal-to-metal contact and reduces the chance of scratching or bending lifting points. The ratcheting handle and matched lug wrench make raising the vehicle and loosening wheel nuts noticeably easier than using a basic factory jack and short wrench. Because the kit is compatible with a wide variety of passenger vehicles, it serves well as a go-to option for emergency tire changes and light repair work at home or on the road. A compact storage bag keeps the jack, wrenches, pads, and gloves organized so the whole setup fits neatly in a trunk without rattling around.